Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how present continuous tense is in English. We often use the present continuous tense in English. It is very different from the present simple tense, both in structure and in use. The present continuous tense is a way to convey any action or condition that is happening right now, frequently, and may be ongoing. The present continuous is made from the present tense of the verb be and the ing form of a verb. Here are some examples. I am working. He is talking. You are playing. The structure of present continuous tense is subject plus auxiliary verbs plus main verb. For example, I am speaking to you. You are watching this. It's always raining in London. For negative sentences we insert not between the auxiliary verb and the main verb. For example, she is not staying in London. We are not playing football. You are not listening. For question sentences, we exchange the subject and the auxiliary verb. Are you listening? Is he watching TV? Are they waiting for Sarah? Here are some more examples and sentences. I'm just leaving work. I'll be home in an hour. Please be quiet. The children are sleeping. Mary is going to a new school next term. What are you doing next week? She isn't going home until Monday. At 8 o'clock we are usually having breakfast. We do not normally use the continuous with stative verbs. Stative verbs include believe, dislike, know, like, love, hate, prefer, realize, recognize, remember, suppose, think, understand, want, wish, appear, feel, look, seem, smell, sound, taste, agree, be, belong, disagree, need, owe, own, possess. We normally use the simple instead. I understand you. This cake tastes wonderful. You look beautiful. I like football. He feels sad. Thank you for watching.